how to make your Wix website mobile friendly. So hi guys, the first thing that we're going to do is to simply open our browser and go to wix.com. Once you've been routed to wix.com, sign in to your account and choose your website. Now here in the page, click on the edit site in the upper right hand corner, and basically it will route you to another tab, which is your editor. So here in another tab, let's wait for the page to load. Alright, so as you can see, we have already our editor, and this is our desktop view basically. Now here in the upper left hand corner, we can see a mobile icon. So what we're going to do is to click on that mobile icon and switch to mobile. Okay, now let's exit on these help notifications right here. Now here in the left hand side, you can meet your site on mobile. So let's go. And then afterwards, you just need to design your mobile menu. So if you want it on the left, on the center, or on the right, you can click on which one. So here I am going to click in the center. Okay, now the next thing is that we can customize our header accordingly. So we can have scroll with page, disappear, fade out, and fixed. So here I am going to simply select the first one, which is scroll with page. Now let's have the next. Here in the next part, we are going to have our floating or on the button or no action bar. So this is where you position your quick access. Now here for the back button, you can simply click on yes or no if you want to add this feature. So this one, I'm gonna select on yes, and then you can go to your mobile editor basically. Once you're routed to your mobile editor, if you want to make more changes, you can actually go to the left-hand panel and just click on these options right here. And after that, you can click on publish here in the upper right hand side. And that's about it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you find this video helpful.